Good morning, invited guests, faculty and student, and ladies and gentlemen. I am Masao Kitano, Executive Vice President for Education, Information Infrastructure and Evaluation, Kyoto University. It is my great pleasure to open and welcome you to this international conference named Kyoto Global Conference for Rising Public Health Researchers. Actually, this is the second time, so some of you attended the meeting last year, first one. Anyway, it's very nice to see you again. The Top Global University Project was launched in 2014 based on the National University Reform Plan by Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology. This project aims to strengthen the international competitiveness of higher education in Japan by prioritizing support of universities to carry out thorough internationalization, thereby universities to carry out thereby universities can conduct top-level research and education cooperating with other universities in the world. Under this scheme, Kyoto University presented the Japan Gateway Kyoto University Top Global Program, JGP. Through internationalization of undergraduate education, starting with employment of 100 international faculty members at the Institute of Liberal Arts and Sciences, and taking advantage of university's strength in basic and applied research with a number of world-class researchers, including awardees of Nobel Prize and field medals. JGP aims to establish agreement with world-class universities and implement international joint education and joint degree programs to foster a new generation of world-class researchers, and further to strengthen the international competitiveness of research and graduate education. To keep up with top universities in the world, Kyoto University is increasing the proportion of international co-authored papers and promotion of joint research. In order to do so, we are looking to stimulate exchange of students, faculty, and researchers by implementing through super global courses for more international education programs such as joint or double degree programs and international conferences and workshops like this. In 2014, Kyoto University launched 4 project units in mathematics, human biosciences, chemistry and chemical engineering, and social sciences and humanities, expanding this program in 2015 with global environmental studies and public health. The School of Public Health, which has been participating in strengthening the university's global expansion, introducing in 2014 double degree program, has engaged in JGP program. Currently, they are actively working toward expanding joint and double degree programs in order to internationalize education of a university. The international conference is a part of such effort, inviting rising public health researchers from 5 universities in order to exchange knowledge in every important topic of health economics and universal health coverage. I hope this project and this conference contribute not only to making Kyoto University one of the center of global network for public health research, but also to making a significant contribution to the improvement of human health through the construction and development of a platform for long-term, concrete joint research cooperation. I am confident this international conference, starting with Kyoto University's JGP, is another big step into internationalizing the research and education in each and every one of the universities here today. In closing, I hope this conference be the perfect opportunity to create new substantial connections among us and open doors to sharing of our knowledge and experience in a global scale. Thank you all for your presence and kind attention. Thank you.